How to change the anchor for right side carriage for 1+1. So first, this original program use anchor 1, 3, 4, 5. So this anchor 2 is right side carriage. One, we can use the red color, use the anchor which dealing system choice. If you want to make the same, you can choose 1, 3, 4, 5. Now right side carriage use same with 1, 3, 4, 5. Also you can change all the anchor. This one for close left side carriage or close right side carriage. Now is on.